Salam Souk, the way we come to Dubai. That's the event, yes. Hi, Assalamu
Hi,
alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Good
Yes,
to see
I
you
am.
here, Didi.
Same here.
I
Okay.
made handmade and customized stuff. This becomes your specs holder.
Alhamdulillah, we met few subscribers of ours and
So this is the plain one because fire plain ones a lot.
absolutely.
मेरे पास जो सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट सेलिंग है CR7 है,
Okay.
खुद रहमानी है।
It's so sweet to meet you. Very happy. You can talk, no? 3,200 के 3-piece suit.
ओरिजिनल ये पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस जो सीरियल में जो लास्ट एंड हुआ था इकरा
Okay.
इल्मान उन्होंने पहना था।
This is done by an artisan
जी.
who has got 30 years of experience in just brass handling.
तो A to Z होम डेकोर ने भी यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एक कियोस्क डाला हुआ है एंड यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं आउटर कवरिंग इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल
This is white wood,
Okay.
and even girls can use this.
So we visited Dubai, Alhamdulillah, and bought new stock from there.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Afreen Fatima and today I'm here at one of the most happening events, that is the Salam Souk, the way we come to Dubai. That's the event, yes. So guys, this is only one day event and the ticket fare is about 250 rupees per person. So guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो तुरंत जाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. So without a further ado, let's see how Salam Souk is. So guys, जैसे ही हम लोग enter करते हैं towards the right hand side, the first stall is hers. Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
What's your name?
assalam. My name is Mariam Rushda.
Okay,
and
what's
this
your
is my
brand's name, dear?
Zenithral.coat. I
Okay.
made handmade and customized stuff. So these are mostly perfect for gifting. You can buy it for yourself too. You can gift it for yourself.
Okay,
we
so
have a range of
what do
stuff.
you have, if you can explain a bit?
Yes, so we have a specs holder, which is basically you put this inside,
Okay.
and there you go. This becomes your specs holder.
Okay.
We have it in different colors, and we have these flowers that you can put
So
it in
you
cards.
also got to explain a bit about the pricing as well. So
Oh
it'll be
yes,
easier.
yes. This is this is for 199, and
Okay.
this is for 149. You get
Alright.
it with the card. Same with the tulips.
Okay.
Alright, and these are hairbands for 160.
So it's all handmade, correct?
Everything
You
is
made it?
handmade. Yes.
Okay.
With my mother, my sister-in-law also helps.
Okay.
So these are for these are scrunchies. These are hair ties. This for 70.
Okay.
This is for 100. So you have a range of colors together. So
Alright.
many. You have these keychains. These are for 50. You have phone charms. You have sunflower.
So
cherries.
do you have it as well?
Yes, yes, definitely. Yes, it's at ZENITHRILLED.co. It's
Okay. Do you also want to share your mobile in case someone's interested to contact you, or they can just DM the
yeah,
page?
you can just DM me
All
directly.
right. Thank you so much.
Thank you
All the
so
best.
much.
So guys, we're moving to the next stall, and the next stall is Hamna's Closet. So hi, what's your name?
My name is Falak.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, so tell us, Falak, what do you have in your stall?
We have many varieties, of course, like abayas, namaz paran, then small kaftan, hijabs,
Okay.
various types of hijabs.
All right. So
Normally.
क्या price क्या है उसका? Starting
Hijabs ka like 250, 100,
250 rupees.
250.
And it goes
there.
up to?
Almost it's 250.
Okay.
Head caps are for 50 rupees.
All right.
So we have kept it low.
Sure, sure. Abayas also,
Affordable.
I think you have some
Yeah.
lovely collection of abayas.
Yeah,
so
we
what is
have-
it starting from?
We have actually from this. We have 30% off as well.
Oh, so
from
guys,
this
you get
side to this
30%
side.
off. Okay.
Yeah, various collections.
Okay. So just show us a few pieces, one or two
Yeah,
pieces.
sure,
and the minimum
sure.
range, yeah. Starting from
Starting
abayas.
from almost 2000.
तो एक रात पीस दिखा दीजिए हमें please.
So this is the plain one because fire plain ones a lot.
But there's a lot of handwork also.
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
So इसका price क्या बताया आपने?
इसका प्राइस अभी है 4895.
4895?
उसके पास
30% off, right?
हाँ. So
All
we'll
right.
calculate and we'll do that.
Sure, sure. So guys, आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे भी कई सारे और भी options हैं. And the whole kiosk is having too many options out here. So just go ahead and share the mobile number or your Instagram
Yeah,
page.
yeah, we have the Hamna Closet.
Okay.
We also have it on Insta. Do
Okay.
contact us.
It's the same name. In
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Instagram
yeah,
as
yeah,
well? Okay, mobile number is also there. अगर आप लोगों, if you guys are interested, definitely contact Hamna's Closet. All right, thank you.
Welcome.
So guys, we're going to show you some more pieces. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं इनके पास हिजाब ड्रेसेस भी हैं, trimmers वगैरह. तो just remove that piece माँ. ये वाला निकालो. नहीं ये वाला बुर्क अबाया. हाँ. So again ये plain ones है. नीचे आप देख सकते हो. नीचे ruffles हैं.
Embroidery.
एंड हाथ के पास भी थोड़ा बहुत वर्क है, आप लोग देख सकते हो. ऑलराइट, सो ऑल इन ऑल कई सारे डिफरेंट कलेक्शंस भी हैं. सो यू गाइस कैन कॉन्टैक्ट Hamna's Closet एंड फॉलो देयर इंस्टाग्राम पेज.
And variations.
ओके, ठीक है. ऑलराइट, बाय बाय.
Thank you.
सो गाइस, नाउ वी हैव मूव्ड ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्टॉल. हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम
आपका
सलाम
नाम?
सैयद जैन
ओके, आपके ब्रांड का नाम?
अल शाइज परफ्यूम्स.
ओके, सो सर आपके परफ्यूम्स के बारे में कुछ बताइए. स्टार्टिंग रेंज और सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट सेलिंग कौन सा है आपका?
मेरे पास जो सबसे ज्यादा फास्ट सेलिंग है CR7 है,
Okay.
उद रहमानी है,
ओके
दिस वन ताहिरा,
ओके
मुश्क ताहिरा इट इज,
ओके
एंड फितरत दिस आल्सो टॉप
ओके. स्टार्टिंग रेंज क्या है सर आपका?
मेरे पास स्टार्टिंग रेंज 300 रुपीज का है.
300 रुपी. 300 में कौन सा वाला को थोड़ा दिखा सकते हैं?
ये बोतल में आएगा 300.
ओके, 50 ml.
दिस इज 3 ml.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
No,
3
it's
ml.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's 3 ml. All right. और कुछ है आपके पास? Something
Yeah,
else?
this is Bakhur.
Okay.
This is
बकूर
sweet
का रेंज
smell.
क्या है?
This is cost you for 500 rupees.
500 rupees. All right. Something more that
And
you have
this
here?
one, it is 1200 rupees. It is Oud Maliki.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And this
बकूर
one-
में सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा फास्ट सेलिंग है? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. How are you?
ये सबसे ज्यादा फास्ट मूविंग है. Oud
Okay.
Maliki it is name is.
Okay. 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 Okay.
And the spray is also is there. This one is classic. Sorry, this is a classic,
Okay.
and these all products are there.
Maximum सबसे मतलब highest वाला कौन सा है आपके पास? Which is
Arabian
the
Oud.
costliest one?
Arabian Oud.
Can you show it?
This one is Arabian Oud.
Can I smell?
Yeah, sure. This one and Oud
Yeah. Okay.
Rahmani.
It's a very refreshing fragrance. Okay.
And this one is Oud Rahmani.
ओके, ठीक है. आपका इंस्टाग्राम पेज और मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कर दो इन केस समवन वांट्स टू रीच आउट टू यू.
Unfortunately, I don't have this one.
इंस्टाग्राम पेज नहीं
Instagram, I
है.
don't have.
मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कर दो.
9945 612
447.
447.
ऑलराइट, सो आपका कोई स्टोर है?
Yeah, it is in HBR layout.
शेयर करो.
Yeah, my shop is in HBR layout in nearby BLDA complex.
ओके, द
And again-
शॉप्स नेम इज Al
All size perfumes.
ऑलराइट, थैंक
Morning
यू सो
and
मच.
11 to 11 it is. My
Okay,
shop is.
jazakallah khair. So guys, we've moved on to the next stall. Hi, assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, we've met a couple of times. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा पहले भी हमारे वीडियो में. But today उनके पास थोड़ा बहुत और भी collection है. So let's see. Hi, तो बताइए.
So we visited Dubai, Alhamdulillah, and bought new stock from there.
Okay.
This is a Khaliji abaya. Khaliji women's wear this on mukhawars.
Okay. So
So-
guys, अंदर मतलब this is like a shrug abaya. तो अंदर आपको कुछ पहनना पड़ेगा obviously.
We even have inners for it.
Inners भी मिल जाएंगे.
जी.
Okay, but this is really nice. How much is the price?
This is 5,000. Discount
5,000
inshallah.
rupees. Discount कुछ है?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, so guys, next you want don't show the same things. कुछ और different है तो
Okay,
दिखाओ please. Okay, so आप लोग देख सकते हैं different patterns है similar type में. Okay, something more. Show us something in the mid range as well, dear. Okay, so guys, आप लोग देखो ये. This is giving me a more like a thope ka mabaya
Yeah.
kind of a look,
So
right?
this is inspired by the Palestinian soap.
Oh, mashallah. Okay. तो इसका प्राइस क्या रहेगा dear?
This will be 3,800.
3,800. All right, great. Okay, something more. What about this? ये वाला?
This is
Very
the premium
simple.
abaya that we have got.
Okay.
So
So, आप
इसका
देख सकते हो
high
पूरी का
range-
पूरा सिंपल है. सिर्फ हैंड एंड साइड में आप लोग देख सकते हैं. बॉर्डर में भी आपको बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल इंट्रिकेट लेस वर्क मिल रहा है. What about this? What's the
This
price?
is 15,000.
15,000. All right.
We've got these Turkish coats.
Okay.
This is inspired from Turkey but made in Dubai.
Okay.
We've got more patterns and more
Okay.
colors in this.
Okay, so can you show something in the very minimal range as well? Because we've gone into the mid range and the highest ones. थोड़ा mediocre range वाले में भी कुछ दिखाइए please.
Yes. So this comes in the medium range.
This is
the
also
price
pretty,
of this is
good looking.
2,500.
Okay, कितना?
2,500.
That's good. आपको 2,500 में ये बुरखा मिल जाएगा guys.
For Umrahs and Hajj, we've got these customized salah gowns.
Okay. इसका रेंज के साथ बताइए ताकि
This is
viewers-
2,200.
2,200.
Yes,
Okay.
and we've got hijabs as well, the same thing. So इसमें जो है आपको बहुत comfortable होगा.
Okay.
एक बाल बाहर नहीं आएगा.
जी 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 जी.
And these are very comfortable and very soft.
All right,
Fabric
just,
is breathable.
Just share your Instagram page as well as the shop details.
This is our Instagram page and our number, inshallah. If you contact on this number,
Sure.
I'll share you.
So guys, you also have a shop.
Yes,
Shop ka
BTM
details-
First Stage near Mukarram Masjid, opposite to Cambridge School.
All right. So guys, now we're moving to the next stall, and the stall's name is Veema Dilip. So ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಗಣೇಶ್
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಗಣೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಕಾಟನ್
ಓಕೆ. ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 1500
1500. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು?
3200.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, 1500ದು 2 ಪೀಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. 3500ದು 2 ಪೀಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ತಿರುಗಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ನೀವು?
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ.
ऑनलाइन ಹೆಸರು, ಪೇಜ್ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ, इंस्टाग्राम पेज ಹೆಸರು
वीमा दिलीप
इदेना? सो गाइस, अगर आपको कांटेक्ट करना है तो आप इंस्टाग्राम पेज में भी यही नाम है, सो यू गाइस कैन कांटेक्ट.
गूगल में सर्च करिए.
ओके, 1500 का कुछ पीसेस दिखा दीजिए प्लीज. ओके, सो इट्स अ कॉट सेट.
हां,
कॉट सेट का लहंगा तरह ना?
टॉप में
सिंगल टॉप. ऑल राइट. ओके, सो गाइस आप लोग देखो, ये वाला पीस आपको 1500 में मिल रहा है. कॉटन है, प्योर कॉटन, राइट?
लिनन कॉटन में.
सॉरी,
लिनन कॉटन.
लिनन कॉटन. ऑल राइट. सो ये लिनन कॉटन है. ओके, वेरी प्रिटी पीस. ये वाला कितना?
500.
Okay, 1500 guys. You can see definitely different colors are here. And maximum range वाला में कुछ दिखाओ. इधर एष्टो?
2800 मैडम.
इधर एष्टो?
2800
में आपको ऐसा वाला पीस भी मिल जाएगा guys. And वो दिखाना थोड़ा पर्पल.
हां,
Yes. अदी एष्टप्ಪ? 3 पीस सूट आइदो.
हां,
ओके, एष्टिदो?
32 मैडम.
3200 की 3 पीस सूट. गाइस आप लोग देख लो, ये 3 पीस सूट है, ठीक है? दुपट्टा है, फुल्ली डिजाइनर वेयर. होल्ड दिस. ये वाला देखिए,
हां,
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा, वेरी डिजाइनर वेयर एंड टैसल्स के साथ आपको मिल रहा है यहाँ पे.
पैंट है.
ऑल राइट. सो पैंट प्लेन है, ठीक है? नंबर हिल बिडी बेगा.
हां,
So guys, you can contact them at 9880925369. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, now we have moved down to one of our favorite brands, that is the Abara clothing and accessories. Hi, Assalamu
हाय,
alaikum.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. गुड
कैसे
टू सी
हैं
यू
आप?
हियर दीदी.
Same here, same here. कैसे
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
हैं आप?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
Okay, so do you have some new collection?
We have very imported coat suit
Start.
from Dubai.
Okay,
You can check the piece, ma'am.
okay.
Check the quality. You can feel the
Yes,
material.
very satiny.
ओरिजिनल ये पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस जो सीरियल में जो लास्ट एंड हुआ था, इकरा
Okay.
इल्वान, उन्होंने पहना था.
Okay, great.
We have 3 colors
So
available
इसका
in
pricing
this.
क्या रहेगा? That's what-
2500 ma'am.
2500 में you guys can see this comes with this. Okay. All right, pant भी थोड़ा दिखा दो please.
Okay.
Actually have a look. This is how it is.
This is the original piece, ma'am.
ये original है.
Original, ma'am.
Okay. So
Imported
आप लोग
from
देखिए.
Dubai.
Okay, lovely colors I must say, and very satiny, rich look दे रहा है.
Then we have this. This is very new,
Okay,
and this is also imported, ma'am.
correct.
We have 2 patterns in this. One is Indian and one is from Bangkok.
Okay, so इसका price क्या रहेगा?
इसका very reasonable,
ये
ma'am.
Indian की Bangkok वाला है.
Bangkok, ma'am.
Okay, क्या
Bangkok
price?
999, ma'am.
999.
Indian 750 जो तुम्हें शॉप में बनाए थे वीडियो.
Right. Alright, so guys आप लोग देखिए, ये वाला आपको 999.
इसके कलर्स बहुत प्यारे हैं, मैम. I'll show you the colors.
Sure. All right. So you guys can see, in case you're interested, screenshot ले लो. मोबाइल नंबर वो शेयर करेंगे. You can take the delivery online as well. नहीं तो उनका शॉप है at शिवाजी नगर. ऐसे वाले इंडियन वेयर भी आपको आराम से मिल जाएंगे. मैं आपको आई बटन में एक इनका एक्सक्लूसिव एक वीडियो पकड़ा था, तो वो भी आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हैं.
This one, ma'am.
ओके, सो
This one very trendy. काफी
Okay.
कम लोगों के पास देखने को मिलता है. ईगल कफ्तान बोलती हैं, बटरफ्लाई भी कफ्तान बोलती हैं.
ऑल राइट. सो गाइस,
Can check
अगर
the
आप
pattern,
लोगों को
ma'am.
ईगल या बटरफ्लाई लुक लेना है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली
You can
चेक
check
दिस
the
आउट.
size, ma'am.
ओके, पैंट दिखा दो प्लीज.
ये यहाँ ऑलरेडी डिस्प्ले में है.
Okay, yes. Have a look at this. What's the price?
3500.
3,500, guys. You can wear it for any kind
Same
of
if they are
parties.
buying for straight, we have for 1900 kaftan.
Okay. So, guys, आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये वाला. Go ahead and share your Instagram page and the mobile number.
AB_AARA clothing. My phone number is 9353951968.
Your shop location.
Taj Hotel Silsila, opposite to Deval.
All right. Thank you. All the best. So, guys, now we move to the next stall. Hi, Assalamu alaikum.
हाँ वालेकुम सलाम.
आपका नाम?
नबिहा ज़ैनब.
Okay. Tell your stall's name as well. Brand का name.
Jewelry is Aira brands and clothing is Durefishions.
Okay. So, यहाँ पे कुछ आपका फास्ट सेलिंग दिखा दीजिए और मिनिमम स्टार्टिंग में क्या है बताइए.
Fast selling bracelets रहेंगे.
Okay. Just show it.
Yeah.
Start price इसका.
These are 650. All these are anti-tarnish and these
Okay.
are gold plated. 18
Gold
carat.
plated?
Yeah, 18 carat gold plated.
Okay. So, guys, आप
These are
लोग देख
water
लो.
resistant.
Okay. These are what resistant?
Yeah, water resistant.
वाटर रेसिस्टेंट. ओके. सो गाइस आप लोग चेक कर सकते हैं. These are not waterproof, these are water resistant. Anti tarnish jewelry है इनके पास, कई सारा collection है. Okay, I see some amazing, some beautiful AD jewelry as well. So for example, इसका range क्या रहेगा?
450 ma'am.
Okay. Attend करो.
Starting price in rings 250 ma'am.
250 रुपीज से starting ranges है rings का. And आप लोग एक sneak peek ले लीजिए. यहाँ पे कई सारे कड़े, bracelets, rings, everything they have.
And these are water resistant ma'am.
What about your clothing brand? थोड़ा बताइए इसके बारे में.
This is all a pure chinon
Starting
work.
range क्या है dear?
Starting 4,500.
4,500. Okay. Show us some two pieces.
4,500. These will be them.
Okay. So guys, party के लिए कोई भी event के लिए अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो you can definitely check this out.
These will be there.
Okay. This is a very pretty fuchsia pink color dress है.
If you want in cord set, this is
उसका price क्या रहेगा?
3,500.
These are
3,500.
3,500 rupees ये वाला, और वो pink fuchsia pink वाला
6,000.
6,000. And what about आप जो पहने हुए हो वो कितना प्राइस है?
6,000.
6,000. Alright. वहाँ पे वो orange वाला, the cape kind of a style. This is pretty much in trend अभी जो flowy है.
Yes ma'am.
The orange one.
7,800 ma'am.
Alright. So आपका Instagram page या shop कुछ है तो details दे share
Yes
कर
ma'am.
दीजिए.
Durefishion shop Durefishions है.
Spell, can you spell that?
SHOP DUREFISHANS.
Okay. Shop है आपका?
शॉप नहीं मैम, ओनली फ्री
Instagram page right? Mobile number कुछ share करना चाहेंगे?
उसमें ही है मैम.
उसी पे है?
हाँ.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank
All the
you.
best. So guys, now we moved on to the next stall. Hi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
आपका
assalam
नाम?
wa rahmatullah. I'm Kashif Akbar.
Okay, so tell us something about your brand's name and do you have a shop?
We don't have a shop as of now, but
Do you have an Instagram page?
yes,
Okay,
we have
can you
just
please share
started. Salam Souk is the first start of this brand.
Okay.
The whole idea of this brand was to make Quran reading easy,
Mashallah.
irrespective of the age, like young till the old people. So you can sit and read the Quran, you can sit on the sofa, and some people have it difficult holding the Musaf
Correct.
during the Taraweeh. So you can just keep it at its max end, that is 3.5 feet, keep the Quran and read.
Okay, so I
Okay.
found something actually very unique here, so I thought I'll just check with you.
Yes.
Could you explain कि थोड़ा minimum starting prices क्या हैं आपके और maximum क्या हैं, and what
Okay.
are you actually
So the whole idea is, as you said, as I told you, we have designed it for the Quran to be made easy.
Okay.
So now what we are going to do is, this whole setup has just got 6 parts,
Okay.
completely dismantleable. So
Okay.
it's got 2 quick release clamp, so that you can actually adjust the height.
Yes, understood.
Okay.
Understood.
And this is used to adjust the angle.
Okay, great.
Easy.
Whatever angle you want to, you can
Yes.
fix it across that.
And this whole setup comes in this small box.
Okay, great. Okay,
You can
so it's very
dismantle it.
portable as well
Yes.
right now. So इसका price क्या रहेगा?
So it starts from 2,600.
Okay.
Okay, and it goes till
What about this one?
6,500.
6,500.
So this piece was specifically made by artisans.
Okay.
So the whole idea is people who can give it a looks and
Right.
they want to enhance the space.
Ji.
Also bring in
Also,
devotion.
it's very aesthetic also.
Yes.
namaz
So
corner, you
what
can have it.
what is this? Is it's pure shisham,
Oh,
cured.
pure shisham.
Pure shisham,
Okay.
cured, and it's white inlaid.
No, but when you say 6,000, that's why I was like, pure shisham, are you sure?
Yeah, 6,000
not
pure
bad.
shisham, white inlaid and handcrafted.
All right.
So as you could see, this is done by an artisan
Ji.
who has got 30 years of experience in just brass inlay.
Okay, great.
So it's like perfection to its max. As you could see, there's white inlay done on the bottom, the base
Ji,
plate,
ji.
on the pipes. So as you could see, we have made the pipes hollow. It's a
Okay.
very intricate work, and also we have done an inlay on the pipe.
Okay, so guys, आप लोग देख सकते हैं बहुत ही बारीकी से intricate work किया गया है, and they have different
And you
collections
could
here.
see this. You can adjust the height. it's
Adjustable,
easy.
right? Okay.
And
So
also
आप,
the angle.
आप क्या कर सकते हैं हमारे viewers को easy करने के लिए मोबाइल नंबर शेयर कर लीजिए या आपका Instagram page शेयर कर दीजिए.
So,
So
yes.
in case they are interested, they'll contact you and do some orders.
Okay, so our Instagram page is the Rihal Atelier.
Okay. It'll be a little difficult for people to understand the spelling.
The
Just
Rihal.
in case, okay. So यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं. You guys can contact them via Instagram. All right. Thank you so much. All
You're
the best.
welcome.
It's so sweet to meet you. I'm very happy. You can talk. No? So guys, हमारा one of my again favorite brands in the home decor varieties. तो A to Z home decor ने भी यहाँ पे actually एक kiosk डाला हुआ है, and you can see lovely collection across. ठीक है. Tissue box holders हैं. Again, vintage clocks are here. Jugs are here. एज यूजुअल उनके 199 रुपीज़ के जो क्लासिक इम्पोर्टेड कप सेट्स हैं वो भी अवेलेबल है। यहाँ पे टिश्यू होल्डर्स देख सकते हैं आप, वहाँ पे रग्स देख सकते हैं, वहाँ पे टम्बलर्स हैं, यहाँ पे उनकी फेवरेट जो प्रीमियम ट्रॉली है वो भी अवेलेबल है। ओके कम। सो गाइस, जैसा हम लोगों ने पहले बताया था आपको, हमारे फॉलोअर्स के लिए ऑब्वियसली 199 रुपीज़ में ये ब्यूटीफुल प्रेयर मैट्स मिल जाएंगे। एंड दी अदर बहुत ज़्यादा जो लोग पसंद कर रहे थे वो वाला यहीं पे है, देख लीजिए 199 वाला इम्पोर्टेड ग्लास कप सेट्स, ठीक है। एंड हियर यू कैन सी ब्यूटीफुल रग्स आउट हियर। ओके आप खाओ। ओके सो यू कैन सी ड्राई फ्रूट स्टैंड्स अगेन एज यूजुअल, ठीक है। अगर आपको लिंक चाहिए तो यू कैन जस्ट क्लिक एट हमारे चैनल पे जाकर के A to Z होम डेकोर करके आप क्लिक करोगे तो पूरे का पूरा इनका एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियो मिल जाएगा, सो यू कैन चेक इट आउट। इनका स्टोर है अवेलेबल एट यशवंतपुर गाइस, सो यू कैन गेट द लोकेशन फ्रॉम देयर। Guys, now we've moved on to another stall. Hi, assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
Waalaikum Adnan.
Okay, so actually यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं the outer covering looks so beautiful. We have actually curated it. So मुझे definitely दिखाना था आप लोगों के साथ. So tell us something. What are you selling at the kiosk?
We have perfumes, perfume mist, hair mist,
Okay.
body sprays,
Okay, what is
Bakur.
it starting from? Starting ranges?
800 rupees
800.
for.
Can you show us a few pieces, please?
Sure, definitely. This is purple oud.
Okay.
Correct, yeah. It's something woody with
The
say.
fragrance is so good. It's mild and very fruity as well.
Correct, yeah. That's what we are looking to sell because ouds people know as very strong and very punchy, but we want people to know oud as something
Ladies
we
would
can.
rather prefer the fruity
Exactly. This is white oud,
smell. Okay.
and even girls can use this. Like for her as well,
This is a little strong.
little, but yeah, even females
Obviously
use
different
it.
people
Yeah,
have different tastes, right?
yeah.
So, what is the names? Do you want to share something? Your Instagram page, or how do people? contact
On
you?
Instagram, we are known as Adnan Perfumist. Adnan Perfumist.
Perfumist. Okay.
Yeah.
है, आप लोग check out कर सकते हैं. You want to share your mobile number? Do you have a store or something?
Online, we have a store. We are coming on website. We are.
Made on website. What about these stuff or these?
That's just aesthetic.
That's-
Aesthetic.
You can give me the credits.
Yeah. That's my
For the
wife.
look.
No. It's done by these event people called Eternity Events. So I gave them the whole idea of what I want, like flowing
Okay.
flowers
I think
and
it's
all
a
of
very
that.
beautiful way to attract people. I would
Exactly.
say.
That's the concern.
So they
Yeah.
understood my concept and they came up
Okay.
with that.
So guys, in case you guys are interested in contacting for beautiful perfume, I think the fragrance is really good. The fruity one.
Marrakesh.
Contact Adnan Perfume.
You can try this as well.
Try to see.
Something you will find in Dubai malls.
आपने जो first two दिया था ना उसका थोड़ा concoction जैसा मिल रहा है.
Correct. Yeah.
It's very nice.
You're welcome.
Really
Thank
nice.
you.
What is the minimum pricing? मतलब छोटे
Chote
How
I think
many
starts
mls
from
do you start?
250.
So Attar we have 3 ml starting.
3 ml, okay.
That is 400 rupees.
400
That's the starting price. And we can go up to like 400, 800, 1200. And we also do Denal oud and Agar oud as well.
Alright. Thank you.
Welcome.
Best.
You're
Nice meeting you. Bye.
Bye, bye.
So guys, this was the event Salam Souk Habibi Come to Dubai event, and the event is still going on. But Alhamdulillah, we met few subscribers of ours, and we were really happy. मतलब बहुत ही मजा आया यहाँ पे, and there was so much food, brands, shopping, everything is yours. I think this was a really good, amazing event. Alhamdulillah, and I think a lot of बहुत ज़्यादा crowd है यहाँ पे, and it's just amazing to see such lovely people enjoying the entire event. So yeah, this was the video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से जाओ सब्सक्राइब कर लो. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Afreen Fatima Official. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more episodes to come.